Imagine biting into a warm, gooey chocolate lava cake, the rich molten center oozing onto your plate, the sweet cocoa aroma filling your senses. This isn't just a dessert, it's an experience. The key to this culinary delight: quality ingredients. From the purest dark chocolate to the freshest eggs, each component plays a crucial role, elevating your dessert from ordinary to extraordinary. Ready to make this dream a reality? Follow these easy steps. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees and greasing your ramekins. Now, let's dive into the heart of this chocolatey goodness. The first step is to melt your chocolate and butter together. You can do this using a double boiler or a microwave, but remember, the key here is to take it slow and steady. You don't want to burn your chocolate, so make sure to stir it often, ensuring a smooth and silky texture. Once your chocolate and butter are perfectly melted together, it's time to add in your sugar. Whisk it in until it's fully incorporated, and you're left with a glossy, sweet mixture that's just begging to be tasted. But hold off for now, the best is yet to come. Next, it's time for the eggs. One at a time, whisk them into your chocolate mixture. You'll see it start to thicken, transforming into a rich and creamy batter that's the base of your lava cake. Ensure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next one, and remember to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're on to our final ingredient, the flour. This is where you need to be gentle. Carefully fold it into your batter, being careful not to overmix. You want to keep as much air in the mixture as possible to ensure your lava cakes rise perfectly in the oven. Once your batter is ready, it's time to fill your greased ramekins. Fill them about 3/4 full, and then it's into the oven they go. Bake them at 425 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. You're looking for the edges to be firm, but the center to still be soft. That's where your lava comes from. As soon as they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about a minute. Then, using a towel or oven mitt, carefully invert each ramekin onto a plate. And there you have it, a chocolate lava cake that's sure to impress. Now, picture a silky, creamy panna cotta, topped with a vibrant berry compote, its tangy sweetness perfectly complementing the smooth richness of the dessert beneath. This isn't just any dessert. It's a berry panna cotta, a delicate balance of flavors that dances on your palate. The creaminess of the panna cotta, the lusciousness of the berries, the subtle sweetness and tanginess all come together to create a symphony of taste. Craving this delightful dessert? Here's how you can make it at home. Begin by heating your cream, sugar, and vanilla in a saucepan until the sugar dissolves. This is the first step to creating the creamy base of your berry panna cotta. Remember, we're aiming for a gentle heat here, just enough to dissolve the sugar without scorching the cream. You'll want to stir this mix continuously to ensure an even heat distribution. Now, while your cream is heating, it's time to bloom your gelatin. To do this, sprinkle the gelatin over cold water and let it sit for a few minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the gelatin to absorb the water and swell, making it easier to dissolve in your hot cream mixture. Once your sugar is completely dissolved in the cream and the mixture is a bit steamy but not boiling, it's time to add the bloomed gelatin. Stir it in gently, making sure it completely dissolves into the cream. This process ensures a smooth texture for your panna cotta. Now, for the fruity element of our dessert, we'll prepare a luscious berry compote. Combine your berries of choice with some sugar in a saucepan and let it simmer until the berries release their juices and the mixture thickens. Remember to stir occasionally so that the berries don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Pour your cream mixture into your desired serving dishes, leaving some room at the top for our berry compote. Then place these in the refrigerator to set. This process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, but for the best results, you might want to leave it overnight. Once your panna cotta is set, spoon your cooled berry compote over the top. The contrasting colors of the cream and berries, not to mention the different textures, will make for a visually appealing dessert that's just as delightful to the palate. And voila, a silken berry panna cotta to delight your taste buds. This creamy, fruity dessert is not only easy to make, but it also packs a flavorful punch that's sure to impress anyone who tastes it. There you have it, 2 incredibly delicious and easy to make desserts. The molten delight of the chocolate lava cake coupled with the creamy fruity allure of the silken berry panna cotta. Indulge your sweet tooth, and remember, every dessert is a celebration waiting to happen.